some old train cars here in Boulder City, Nevada. And the tracks end just right up the way there. Very close. And just see, they got this old, called Old Blue. It's just blue and silver. Not sure if it's still functional or not. It's got a lot of paint on it. The silver paint. So this might be a train museum. I'm not sure. I just crossed the road and I ran into this. But I'll show you guys the front of it. There we go. Jump back a bit. The old 6976. Probably means something. And I hear the engine of a train running up there. Kind of tells me that maybe they're doing something train-esque. Could be a train tour. It's all a mystery to me right now. Let's see. Might be like a repair vehicle for the train tracks. And so look, this is Nevada. I mean, look, I like it here. It just feels so different. I'm used to the having trees and shade and grass and leaves, and really none of that exists here. So it just feels like feel like I'm kind of out in the open with unobstructed views of whatever's in front of me, those mountains, and then this just kind of commercial strip right in front of us over there, as well as these multiple trains sitting here. And again, I'm thinking that they are some tourist thing, but they may be legit. Might be legit train station. Again, I'm not sure. Trying to figure it out. If you guys are train buffs, you probably like this. I have no idea what I'm looking at because I'm just a dude who travels, but this looks like it's definitely does some work. Heavy machinery. Operate carefully. Yeah, so there you go. So something or other, and then there's the Nevada Southern. So this is what looks very, very tourist-esque. So look at the old Nevada Southern. UP 25641. Again, that probably means something too. But it's the Nevada Southern Railway. Is this just a tourist thing, or is this like a regular running railway?
The train runs. We're a museum.
Oh, okay.
We're a railroad museum. But the train runs on Saturdays and Sundays just to give train rides.
And where does it go?
Right now it goes to Railroad Pass Casino and back. Probably in about 3-4 months we'll be going into Henderson.
Cool. Awesome. I had no idea. I just walked from that way and just kind of.
Yeah, we've been here since 2002. So yeah.
Nice. Thank you. So there you go. It's a train museum. Let's see if we can look in here. Come back out. Oh, here we go. There's some. Oh, let's go over here actually. So that gave you guys a visual of just the size of it.